The Partin Manufacturing Company was a brass-era American automobile manufacturer, headquartered at 29 South La Salle Street, Chicago, Illinois. History. The Partin Manufacturing Company was a large automobile sales agency in Chicago that in 1913 joined with the Palmer Motor Car Company of Henry Palmer in Detroit to manufacture cycle cars called the Pioneer, with a Model 45 named the Partin and a Model 38 named Partin Palmer. The Partin model did not last to the end of 1913, and all models were subsequently called Partin Palmers. The company first moved to Chicago to take over the Staver Chicago automobile factory. By 1914, Partin and Palmer were no longer with the company, and it moved to Rochelle, where the G.O.D. Whitcomb Company assembled them. In 1915, the company got into financial trouble in Chicago, so the car's name was changed to Commonwealth. 1917-1922, with production moved to Joliet, Illinois. In 1922, Leland Goodspeed designed a new car for the company, which became the Checker Cab. A restored Partin Palmer is displayed at the Flag Township Museum in Rochelle, Illinois. Models equals Partin Palmer 20 equals. In 1914, the Partin Palmer 20 Tourer was offered with a 4-cylinder water-cooled engine of 22 horsepower, 16 kilowatts, with Gray and Davis generator, optional Gray and Davis electric starter, and, still unusual, shaft drive. It had a 56 in, 142 centimeters, tread track, a 96 in, 24-38mm wheelbase with 3/4 elliptic springs, an I-beam front axle, which would still be seen on Ford pickups into the 1990s. The 20 came standard with electric lighting and horn, folding top with side curtains and dust boot, speedometer, the typical for the period, toolkit, jack, and tire patch, all for US $495. By contrast, around the time, the high-volume Oldsmobile Runabout was US $650, the Ford Model S was US $700 and Model T US $550, a Brush Runabout was US $485, a Metz Model 22 $475, Western's Gale Model A US $500, the Black starting as low as $375, and the Success an amazingly low US $250. Equals Partin Palmer 38 equals. The same year, a 6-passenger Model 38 with a 115 in, 29-21mm wheelbase was also available for US $975. See also: List of automobile manufacturers. List of defunct automobile manufacturers. References. Further reading. Clymer, Floyd. Treasury of Early American Automobiles, 1877 to 1925. New York, Bonanza Books, 1950.